Welcome back, day 24 already of my January gardening challenge. Today's video, I'm going to take a look at my smaller Tetrapanax, have a glimpse how it's doing over winter, and I've got another border that I need to get my teeth into, the final border actually here in my tropical style garden, until I start creating new ones in the next few vlogs, which I'm excited about. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. So this side of the garden is very much an unloved side of the garden, but we're going to take a look at this small Tetrapanax, see how it is doing. Simply put the pots on, try and give it a little bit more protection, because it is just the crowns that need it. There we go. So actually got some nice new growth coming out. As you can see, that's less than 12 inches tall, so that's going to give it a really good foundation ready for next year. So I'm excited about that. I'm going to give this some fresh air. If we have some harsh weather on the horizon, I'll just simply fleece up the actual crown, pop a pot over it, and I'll tie it up just for extra protection. But let's get into this neglected bed. Now, this is absolutely nothing a prune and a hoe will not fix. I'm going to do a slight edging of the lawn as well, just to bring it back. And that's all it really needs. So I'm going to fast forward through this little bit. You don't need to see me do to do this chore. Main aim of the game today was to take a look at this Tetrapanax, and I am super happy with it. Let me know in the comments down below, do you guys have a Tetrapanax? If so, do you protect it over winter? Is it something that you're looking for maybe in 2026 in order to add to your tropical style garden? Whether you just like the look of the plant, right, and you just wanted to add it to your garden, let me know down below. What are your thoughts on it, whether you'll be adding it to your collection. Now, I'm not going to lie, I really struggled for motivation today. It's been a really good challenge and I've really enjoyed it. However, now the weeding and all the tidying's coming to an end, I feel much better about it. I'm going to spend a little bit of money on some evergreen winter interest within my tropical style garden here, and I'm going to create some new beds and get some planting done, if weather allows it, over the next few days and week to finish this January challenge. If you have enjoyed it, and I do apologise for the mundane content today, but if you have enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. If you found yourself having a little bit of inspiration from it, then please let me know down below. That really does help me keep going on my January challenge. Until tomorrow, see you in the garden. You take care.